Welcome. Today's lesson is going to be how to delete ledgers from Tally. Okay, I'm going to open my Tally program. Just typing Tally, the word Tally. The Tally application will come. You click on it. To open the program, you select company. Okay, now from here you're going to go to accounting info, you go to ledgers, you go to outer. Now here I have 3 ledgers, but one ledger has, I discovered that one ledger has some mistakes, or I don't like it, so I want to delete it. You just click on it. I want to delete this capital ledger. Just click on it. As you can see here down at the bottom, you see Q, that is for quit, and D for delete. You can either just press D to delete it, D button from the keyboard to delete it, or you can just simply click on it and say yes. As you can see, my capital ledger has been deleted from the system. That is how we delete ledgers from Tally. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.